Hello guys, in PHP, have you ever seen someone using comparison statements with different order of variables? So value, then comparison equals operator, and then the variable. Have you ever wondered why? So why it's not if type not equals null, but null not equals type? Let me show you with another practical example. So here I am in my Tinkerwell, but it could be any PHP or Laravel project, and imagine the scenario. You have a variable value, and then you have some condition on the value to perform some operation. And if we refresh that, the correct answer is not 2. But a pretty typical mistake by PHP developers is accidentally leave the assignment operator instead of comparison operator. 1 equal value sign instead of 2. It's really easy to skip and not notice. And the thing is that PHP would not throw any errors. It's one of the most classical typical mistakes, not only in PHP but in JavaScript and in other languages. Now if we run this code, the answer would be 2, although it's not the case. And the worst part is that there's no error. So if you don't have automated tests, which you should have, by the way, then you would have a production bug with God knows what consequences. So where I'm getting at, now if you switch those to and var here, then that statement is incorrect grammatically from syntax level. So PHP would not allow you to assign var to 2. If we launch that, you would get a parse error because that doesn't make sense. So then it would be easy to spot that mistake of mixing the assignment with comparison. So this would be the final result, and now the code works correctly. Getting back to the example in Laravel Excel package, now you probably understand why null is here and not on the right side. Have you encountered this bug in your career? I certainly have. You may share your stories in the comments below. What were the consequences? I guess all of us have some stories around that. That's it, a quick tip this time, and see you guys in other videos.